Chigozie Pascal Okafor, and I studied information technology at Federal University of Technology, Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. I have a strong passion for data analysis and machine learning, and I have combined these technical skills to achieve goals. So one of my fun facts is optimizing my exercise routine, applying data analytics towards it.
Hi everyone, I am Asa Mustafa Oluwatobloba. I'm a graduate of Industrial Relations and Personnel Management from Lagos State University. I'm an accountant. One of my fun facts is I'm an Arsenal fan, despite the fact that we are yet to win any major trophy.
My name is Kalis Oluwaseyi Samuel. I study mathematical science. Fun fact about me, I love sports very well, like anything related to sporting activities. And also, in every situation I find myself, I try to make myself happy and people around me laugh a bit.
I have a strong passion for data analytics and machine learning, and which has made me to undergo a data analysis training before. As a data analyst, I was able to work on some database. Even where I'm working now, I work with customers' database. Due to this fact, I have a strong passion for leveraging data to achieve goals, and which has led me to deepen my knowledge from data analytics or data science. I was expecting to achieve these goals in this fellowship because I wanted to understand the core fundamentals of data science.
So one of my drives is that as a finance person, so I believe that learning tech is very, very key in this industry of ours, finance industry, and how to make myself relevant. So that's why I'm here to learn data science, to incorporate data science into finance.
One of my greatest motivations has always been knowledge, so always seeking to learning things. And my expectation for this program was to get an in-depth knowledge of data science. Having a background in mathematics, so I really want to know how I can use numbers and data to make real life impacts.
What surprised me the most is that prior to now, when I see some data science models online and watching some of these classes online, I feel nervous about them. But now I can categorically say that I am confident that yes, I have achieved this, and some of these terms has been familiar to me. I see this as a stepping stone for me because I have interest in furthering this towards my master's degree program. And I feel I have achieved the fundamentals that I needed for me to achieve this goal. So the skills has really equipped me in understanding the core things I need for data science.
Aside from the top-notch lectures being delivered by our facilitator, so to my surprise, I got to know that we are here to also learn employability skills and the professional networking. Also, the food that we being given to us for free actually got to my surprise.
Well, I do inspirations from my co-fellows because they were the one that was keeping me going. The skills I've gained in data science, I see myself in the nearest future applying it to my daily activities and also to impact my immediate environments.
Okay, so as a finance person, as aspiring CFO, I believe that this data science is going to equip me in making data-driven decisions to help businesses and to help corporations at large.
Thank you very much for putting up this program to inspire the young ones for us to leverage the use of data and impact our businesses in Nigeria and Africa as a whole.
I believe that it's going to serve as a springboard for me to achieve my goals and my vision as well.
Then also, I want to inspire the young ones to have this tech-savvy skill where instead of wasting their youthful age on social media, they should try to learn something. Look for organizations like Blossom Academy, and that will help them to achieve their data goal. Thank you very much.